tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Again. Say. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat.
I already know this.
Yeah, this is called different. Now you can do the same thing with a different speed.
I already know this.
This is called Vilambit, Madhyalaya, and Druta. So I'm doing the same thing and you do just like it. Ta,
Ta,
thi,
thi,
tat,
tat,
a, thi,
thi,
tat. Again, ta,
ta,
thi,
thi,
tat, a, thi,
thi,
tat. Now, Madhya. This is medium speed. This is slow speed. Now we are doing the medium speed. That is called Madhyalaya. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Now I can do the fast speed. Drut. That is called drut. Fast. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, ta, thi, tat. A, thi, ta, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Go, go. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. Now double tap. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat.
I hear it.
Again, okay. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will start from here. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. That is called fast. So the same ta, thi, tat, you have 3 different speed. One is slow speed, one is medium speed, and one is fast speed. So, you know, we'll do one more time, okay? Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, even now medium speed, okay? Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi, tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi. Now, fast speed. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi. Tat. A, thi. Tat. Ta, thi, tat. A, thi. Tat. That is, you will practice these things. Now do some hand. No. 1, 2.
Oh, I already know this too.
Yeah, no. 1, 2.
Right hand, Kitty Mama.
3. 1. Always start with right. 1, 2. Then look at the hand. And then pull your hand. 4. 1.
I don't know this.
Yeah. Just go with this and then pull your hand. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you do 8, just pull your hand. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When your hand will go, you look at the hand. And count like this. Now, start with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it, pull your hand. Yes. Now, 1, 2, look at the hand. Look at the palm. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then look at your hand. Always you have to look at the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, more here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do it. 1 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just like this. 3, 3. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, this is number 1. Number 2 is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Straight. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first 1 to right. Always start with right. 1, 2, 3, just like this. Yes. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now number 1, hand movement number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again hand movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just এইটুকুনি হবে কি? নাকি আরো করবে? করবে? Number 3. 1, 1. Can you do this? No. Right hand. Right. Always start with right. No. Then 1. Now this is number 2. Now number 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now down. Number 1 is up. Number 2 is middle. Number 3 is down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ridhanti teaches you always, no? You know
No, she doesn't.
She doesn't?